Hi everybody, this is A. Welcome to my video. I'm gonna tell you how to download YouTube videos or extract the sound of the videos of the YouTube just using Python codes. And let's see. I'm gonna use the pytubefix library from GitHub. If you search this in the first one, yes, in the first search, yes, this is the package I'm gonna use. And by the way, this tutorial doesn't need any Python skills, and actually I created just two snippets code, and you can copy or paste it in the Google Colab. I'm gonna do this now and download it without any problems. So let's see. And I have this video and actually this sound, and be careful about the no copyrighted of the videos or sounds that you want to use. And in this video I'm gonna just download this and this sound or song I want to download this, but just as an MP3 format. So now going to collab.research.google.com, and it doesn't matter, let's connect. And by the way, you can clear your all of the code parts. And to download the videos, you can actually use this snip code. I'm gonna put this here, and I put all of the codes in the description. You can copy and paste this and use the description, read the description, it's useful. So to download the videos, you have to copy the link, all of the link, copy this, and just paste it between these double quotations and click run. And when you see done, it's done, it's download. But where in the file we can see the videos that downloaded actually is 397 kilobytes, and it's downloaded on the Google Colab actually storage, and you can put this click here and download, and this is download here. That's it. This is how to download the videos.
A few moments later, 2,000 years.
Very easy and very straightforward. And for download just the MP3, and you can use this snip code. So I'm gonna create another code part here and use this code, actually the second one. So copy the link here and put this between the double quotations, be careful, and after that run it. So it's done. As you can see, it's not in this storage, so just right click and press refresh, and this is a sound. Actually, you can see this is the MP3. You can download this here. I downloaded my desktop. Okay, done. That's it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Read the description. I put all of the codes on the description. You can just copy and paste it in the Google Colab. And if you have any Python skills, you can actually read the documentations here. Actually, it's not it's in the screen. Here, click in the read documentations here, and this is documentation of the pytubefix. This documentation tell you how to download with not just the high resolution. Actually, you can use the lower resolution, or download the playlists or all of the videos of the channel. Actually, this works for all the things you want to download from the YouTube. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great time.